Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Amber here. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'll be showing you my ewedu plant, and I'll be harvesting my amaranth green, which is also known as F4. Right here we have the ewedu. It's also known as Jute, and some people know it as Saluyot. Ewedu leaves are commonly eaten by the Yoruba speaking people of Nigeria. I understand other countries eat it as well. As you can see, I have a corn that grew in the same container, and I decided to leave it. So the reason I planted in the container is because my soil is very hard and it's not good for planting. So I decided to plant in the container. I'm still building my soil to be good, to plant in. Growing up in Lagos, I had the opportunity to taste the ewedu, and I have since liked it. They commonly eat it with amala mixed with gbegiri and some stew. So I found other ways to eat it. I just make it like I'm making okra, and everything, the oil and everything goes into it. I'll show you what the seeds look like. And this plant took me about, I planted it April, May. I planted it sometime in May, and this is July, so roughly 2 months growth. It's about see the height and the density. It had a slow starting rate, but once the roots got established, it's just like growing really fast. This is gonna be my second harvest of the ewedu. I've harvested the first one, so now I'm going to show you my F4, which is also known as amaranth. I'm planting this one on the ground. As you can see, I had to heap the soil so that the roots can grow. You can see the plants. This is going to be my third harvest of this ewedu. Once I harvest it, it takes about 2 weeks to get this bushy again. So I'll show you the other ones I have here. The sun has been really bad, and something is eating my cauliflower leaves, so I'm gonna have to cut the leaves off. I've been trying to treat it, and I tried treating it, but it seems what I'm using is burning my leaves. Also, in comparison with the sun, see, the leaves are drying out. So if anyone knows, oh, look at the culprit. Can you see it? Can you see the culprit there? Can you see it? See, I've tried using products, but it still persists. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. If anyone has any product they can advise me to get, to eradicate this caterpillar. Look at it. I'll be very grateful. Please comment. Let me know in the comment section. So let me go ahead and harvest it, and I'll let you guys see what I got. Okay, so I'm done harvesting. This is a lot. If anyone is interested, just let me know and I can send to you fresh F4. Let me show you what it looks like now. I didn't take all because it's too much. Now you can see what the caterpillar is really doing to my plants. I'll just take off these leaves. Let me show you my watermelon. There's another one. To put it in here so that it's safe, it doesn't fall off. And there's a small one. And there are other small ones around. I can't find them right now. My tomatoes. Yeah. Covered my basil. Alright, I'm going to water my plants now, and that'll be all for today. If anyone knows what I can use to take care of this, please let me know in the comment section. And if anyone is interested in getting some F4, please let me know. We can send some to you, and I'll keep you updated on my ewedu. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.